Hey there, I'm going to show you really quickly how to give your face extra little pop with a brightener. This color is one that is perfect for my skin tone, but when you order makeup through me, I will recommend a color that is best for your skin tone. I'm going to show you exactly where to put it to make your face pop. So the first place obviously is going to be your under eyes, kind of like your concealer. So I'm just going to use my finger. I'm going to put one in the corner and a one here on the side. I'm going to put one in the center of my brows, do a little bit down the center of my nose, right here and right there. I'm just going to do it on half the face so you can see the difference. I'm going to take my blend brush because there's a small side, and I'm just going to stipple, or dab and really get that color in because this is where it gets really dark. And then let's just bring these two slightly together here, but we're still going to stipple. We don't need a lot of brightener because that is what's going to collect underneath your eyes. So we're going to stipple down here. We're going to bring it over the lids. And we're going to bring it down below. If you have like a little bag right there, bring it a little bit below that. Flip it over and just blend it out. And then same thing with right here. I'm going to blend right here. You can even bring it over your brow a little bit if you want. Down the nose. Here where you get any redness. And here on your chin. I'm going to flip it over. Buff it out. So look now what a difference this side is making. See how it just brings the light to the center of my face? It makes my eyes look lifted. I look more awake. If you want a recommendation for a brightener, reach out to me, comment below, or click the link in my bio for a color match, and I'm happy to recommend the right color for you.